Happy morning, children. How are you, mom? I'm fine, beta. Today we are going to start chapter 6, How Things Grow. Okay, Nana? Today we are going to learn how things grow. Do you know, Nana, how the butterfly, when butterfly born, it had the wings, beta? No. So we will read how it will possible. We will read, Nana. Chalo, all of you open your textbook and see, Nana. See here how things grow and however wonderful I think things grow. Read too. Let's read. How does a butterfly grow? Do you know butterfly, Nana? Yes. Do you like butterfly? Yes. Yes. All of you like butterfly, no? Yes. So, how butterfly grows, Nana? So, it starts out, say, tiny eggs. First, it starts from tiny eggs. Eggs means, do you know eggs, beta? Tiny means small eggs, beta. Small eggs, tiny means small eggs. Okay, then it becomes caterpillar. Then it becomes first eggs. Then caterpillar. Then caterpillar. Okay, first eggs, second caterpillar, second caterpillar, then it's a lot of caterpillar, it eats lots of, so this caterpillar eats lots of leaves. What will happen, Nana? If it eats, then only it gives it comes to, after that it will be a butterfly, no? So it eats leaves a lot. Okay, caterpillar eats leaves a lot and it grows and grows. What will happen? It grows and grows, caterpillar. At last, then it goes to inside a cocoon. Here it is cocoon, Nana, same like this only there. In the leaf only. There inside this is a cocoon. Okay. So what happens? First it is egg, second caterpillar, third stage is, what's the third stage? Cocoon. What's the third stage? It is cocoon. So at last it becomes butterfly. At last it becomes butterfly. Fourth stage. First stage eggs, second stage caterpillar, third stage cocoon, fourth stage butterfly. Finally it becomes, the fourth one is butterfly. So how it is, Nana? Butterfly very colorful, no? Do you like butterfly, children? Yes, everybody likes butterfly because it is very colorful. No, Nana. So see this picture, beta. See here, first eggs, then caterpillar, and caterpillar eating leaves. See, beta, it grows and grows. After that, it becomes cocoon. After that, butterfly. He fly away. Okay. And how does a frog grow? Do you know frog, beta? Yes. How does frog grow? So it starts out as a tiny eggs in the water. So frog also gives tiny eggs, means small eggs, beta. Frog also gives first eggs. And it starts out as a tiny eggs. The eggs hatches into a tadpole. The eggs change into a tadpole. Same, it is also like this. There is one long tail also there for a tadpole, Nana. See here in the picture. See here in the picture, Nana. Yes. And it eats tiny plants. It grows and grows. At last, it hops out of the pond. It is now a frog. So here also first it gives. Frog also gives eggs. Frog also gives eggs, Nana. Okay. Frog also gives eggs. Then it becomes tadpole. After that tiny plants, it also eats tiny plants, means small plants, Nana. So the frog, the tadpole also eats small plants, and it grows and grows. What happened after that? It also grows and grows, and then at last it hops. Hops means comes out. Hops means egiratam. Egiri bayatiki vachi on the pond in a new, now a frog. After at last it is a frog. See in the picture, beta. Yes. And here third one is, how does a flower grows? Do you like flower, beta? Yes. How does a flower grows? Yes. How does the flower grows? Today we are going to learn this one also. And it starts out a seed, like a seed. It comes like a seed. Seed means that's kada. Yes. And sun and rain help the seed grow. Vittana. First it is seed. So after that it will falls rain and come. It becomes small. It comes like a small plant. Okay. And roots grow into the ground. After that what happened here? The seeds inside that soil. Inside the soil what comes now? These are the roots. These are the roots. This is a seed. After that small leaves will come out from the seed. And roots grow into the ground. The plant grows and grows. After that the plant will be big. The plant will be big. Okay. Okay. After that, see, the first bud will come. Bud means mogga. First bud will come, Nana. See here, the plant grows and grows. At last a bud opens. And it's a flower. Last it will become flower. Okay. Yes. First it starts from seed, and that plant after that gives a small bud, and at last it becomes a flower. Okay, Nana? And now you know how things grow. Now do you understood, Nana, how butterfly grow and how frog grow, and after that flower. Okay, Nana? And do you know how help people? At first they are babies. We are also first babies, no, Nana? Yes, first we are babies. They cannot talk or walk. So small babies will talk and walk, beta? No, they cannot talk, they cannot move, they cannot walk, they cannot talk, eat. No, Nana. Eat means drink. They will drink milk. And then they start to crawl. Crawl means pakadam. So slowly they crawl. The babies are slowly crawl. Okay. And then began to talk and walk. After 8-9 months, they will talk and walk slowly. Then they become taller and taller. No, after that they are taller and taller. They become adults. So they are also the stages. No, Nana. They are also first babies, then children, then they become the adults. Like that. After that, old. No, last finally they are old. No, adults also. So they are also the stages like flower and birds, like that only. Here they are also the stages, different stages. I hope you understood this lesson, Nana. How things grow. So butterfly and frog and plant and we also grow. First babies, then like that we will grow like a adult. No, Nana? Yes. Okay, ma. Bye, beta.